Do and do not. Making a cheese sandwich. Do. Find yourself some bread. Do not. Prepare yourself for bed. Do. Butter each slice with care. Do not. Butter up a pear. Do. Slice some cheddar cheese. Do not. Recite your ABCs.
A, B, C, P.
Do. Lay the cheese down flat. Do not. Place it on your cat. Do. Place some bread on top. Do not. Cook a fresh pork chop. Do. Cut it all in half. Do not. Prepare yourself a bath. Do. Present on a funky plate. Do not. Crush with an iron weight. Perhaps place it on your grill. Just not on your dad's new drill. Do. Subscribe to my channel. Here. Do not make me disappear.